So, hey YouTube, it is that time again for me to find a nail polish to polish my nails with. Y'all know I just took off my acrylic nails, so I'm gonna just take a little break for them for a momento. And I want to, of course, have some polish on my nails. I don't want to keep them naked nails, so I'm trying to. Okay, sorry y'all, my husband keeps distracting me. So yeah, I'm trying to find a color to use. So I'm gonna pick up a few that I like. I don't know if I've used this one yet. This Bahama Mama, that's really pretty. What else? I feel like I always do blue. I always go for blue. I think I recently did. What about this one? Is kind of similar to the one I just bought. Okay, that. I'm trying not to go into my other polish. Like, I want to pick something that I already have on the shelf. That's a maybe. Ooh. Color similar. I don't know if I want to do navy on my shorties. On my shorties. This is Mickey. Maybe this one. And maybe this. Okay. Alright, let me pick up what I got. So one of these. Alright, so I'm gonna do the ESSIE Bahama Mama. Hard to see the top. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come over here, look for my Twixie. Don't know where I put it. Where are you, Twixie? Where are you? I need a file too. A couple of my nails broke, so I need to file them. Are you in there? No. Maybe it's behind here. Usually it is. No, it's not there. Where in the heck is my Twixie? Must be overlooking it somewhere. Let me see. Is it back here? Yep, here it is. It's back behind there. Okay. Okay. Coffee. Ready. Let's find a base coat. What is this? Top coat. Saving. I don't want to use that one because my nails are so short and it's so thick. I'll do this one. My Scratch is Sweden multi base and top coat. And then quick dry. How much I got left in here? Okay. Okay. Yum. Caramel iced coffee. Tim Hortons, my favorite. Alright, I decided to use my LA Colors Peel Off Base Coat because it kind of looks like this color will stain, and I don't want to have my nails like all stained up and hard to get off. So I'm going to put on the LA Colors Peel Off Base Coat. instead of my regular base coat, but I'll probably keep that for the top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this. Oh shoot, I forgot to file them. Let me file it a little bit uneven. If you guys watched my video, I think the video, 2 videos behind, or was it my previous? I can't remember. Either the video before this one or the video behind that one. Where it was the one where I removed my acrylic nails, and I was showing that I had broke this nail. So I caught myself clipping it, clipping the end off. And so now I just have like a big chunk of meat way down here and my nail way up there. So that one's going to look so silly because I can't cut it like across here because my meat is under here. So gosh, this nail looks so bad on camera. Yeah, so that's going to look crazy, but I'll try to do what I can with it. All right, let's see. Okay. All right, so let's get started with the LA Colors Peel Off Base Coat. Alright, so I did 1 coat of the peel off base coat because it's really thick. So I didn't want to do 2, and my nails are so short, like it would just be like one of them had way too much on it. It was like, you know, kind of thick. So I definitely didn't need 2. I just did 1 good base coat, made sure I got over my over the full nail good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to polish now with the Essie Bahama Mama. Okay guys, so I thought I had pressed record, so I did 1 coat so far. I did not know I forgot to press record, so yeah. So I haven't done the thumb yet, so I'm going to do the thumb, and then I'm going to go over them again with a 2nd coat. So far, the color is really pretty. On camera, it looks more like a burgundy or a... like a dark red maybe, but it's really like a deep pink, like a cherry pink, I would say. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go over these with the 2nd coat. So this is how the 1 coat looks. I just did a really thin top for a really thin 1st coat. for you guys that are new to the channel or haven't seen some of my older videos, this is one of my favorite fans. It's USB powered, so you can plug it up with the USB cord and charge it, and you can use it cordless. It opens up to different sizes, and I really love using this to dry my nails. You can just, you know, hold it any angle you need. You could sit it down. You can even put your phone on it right here. I have a video on it way back in one of my one of the videos. They're so far back. If you guys are interested, you could go find it, but I found this on Amazon. So yeah, I love this little fan. All right, so here you see I was trying to show you my nail. I smudged it. So now I'm going to fix the smudge with my non-acetone polish remover. I'm using my cleanup brush. I just put a little bit of remover on it, and I'm going over where the smudge is. Not too much. I wanted to get it a little flatter, but since I have that peel-off coat underneath, that was kind of bubbling up. So I got it as flat as I possibly could. And I also smudged the side of my pinky nail a little bit. So now I'm letting it dry, letting the nail polish remover dry a little bit on it. And then I'm going to go ahead and go over it with the nail polish just to cover up the part that I fixed. And it looked good as new when I was done. So now that I'm all done polishing, I used 2 coats of ESSIE on each hand, and I did a coat of my top coat on each hand. So I already have a top coat on them. And I was thinking of adding some of my spot sign, which is actually leopard print glitters by KB Shimmer. You can see it's also in a hollow glitter as well. It's really pretty, and I was thinking about doing a couple accent nails with this. So I think I'm going to give that a try. I took out my Mickey Mouse ring, little palette ring, because I couldn't find my little plate, so I could put the spots down and use my dotting tool to put them in place. So I'm going to use my ring for that. So this is my little dotting tool holder. It's actually a eyeliner or lip liner pencil makeup holder, and I think I found this at Dollar Tree like a couple of years ago. So I use this to hold my dotting tool. So I'm gonna pick out my small tip dotting tool. I'll use this one to get the leopard spots out. I didn't put, my fingers are so fat. I'm scared to put it on, actually, because I think I'll do it like this. Just in case my nails aren't all the way dry. I don't want to go, like, put the ring across my nail and it smudge it. So, let's see how many I pick up on a brush first. None. Yeah, so I'm going to see what comes out. Actually, yeah, let me do this first. I'm going to try to pour it and see if any comes out when I pour it. I can see them, but they're not quite at the top, so give them a little tug. All right. There we go. Okay, so some came out. They're hard to see because it's all clumped up. Let's see. Separate them a little bit. All right. So I got one on there. I'm just going to randomly place them. Okay, I'm all done, y'all. What do y'all think? You know, it's so hard to see because my stupid camera does not like to focus. There we go. I think it looks really cute. Oh, I ended up adding some to my thumbnails, and this, since I had shook it up really good and pulled some of the spots to the top, and there's a lot of spots in it. Usually I can just polish and they'll come on out, so that's what I did. I didn't have to use my dotting tool or nothing. I just did one coat, and that's the spots that ended up off of that one coat. And I think they look really cute. I love the color. Excuse this nail. This is the nail that's broken, and it's broke way down there, so that looks pretty stupid. But other than that, I think they turned out cute. The Essie color is really, really pretty. I just have to clean them up a bit, like here and a little bit around the edges. Clean them up a bit, put on my hand moisturizer and my cuticle oil, and I will be all done. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Again, I used Essie Bahama Mama, Bahama Drama, and KB Shimmer Spot Sign. For my top coat on top of these, I used my Scratches Sweden. For my quick dry, I used my ShibaNails.com 60-second top coat. For my base, I used my L.A.COLORS Peel Off Base Coat. My palette Mickey Mouse ring, I also have Hello Kitty. I ordered these off of, I think, AliExpress or eBay a long time ago, but they are still available. I think they're really, really cute. I used my dotting tool to place the spots. These are also from, I think I got a pack of like 5 from eBay for $2 or so. And I used non-acetone nail polish remover. And that is it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.